Alright, so we're nearing the end of the disassembly, so this should be one of the last few notes. We noticed the looseness of this crankshaft keyway. Just look at how much movement. What we're doing is we're marking the timing gears here and such because they don't have the conventional markings. There's that much crankshaft movement without the gear moving. That's a large amount. Take a look at it here closely. You can see the gear. If you look at the middle of the threaded portion of the crank snout there, you can see that movement. Just really a lot of slop. You can see the keyway rocking up and down there. Anyway, what we're doing here, because this timing setup with the belt drive doesn't really have any marks on the gears, and so we're just using a Sharpie. Of course, we'll degree it in upon reassembly, but this gets us close. You can see we have marks up here on the two parts of the gear that rotate to adjust. So we marked the rear cover to show the camshaft timing marks. Over here we lined up the keyway with a little scrape with a Sharpie, a dot, and a dot on the outside cover. You can see what we have is the belt drive system with this sort of tensioner pulley here that keeps the belt from flopping around. Really a nice looking setup. And we're just making sure that when we go back together, we have a record of how it came apart.